Hi everyone. Every piece of advice or instruction I'm going to share in this video has been verified by the mechanics at the shop where I'm at right now, so relax. We're going to fix this problem. If one day you start your Hyundai and see the message parking sensor error or blockage, the first thought is usually, the sensors are broken, I'm going to have to spend money. But don't worry. In most cases, it's nothing serious, and often can be fixed with something very simple. To make it easy to understand, this message basically means that one of the parking sensors can't see properly. The system uses ultrasonic sensors that send and receive signals, and if something interferes, the car says, "Hey, I don't trust this reading," and shows the warning to protect you. Here's the most common cause of all. Mechanics say the number one reason is dirt. Mud, dust, water, wax, insects, heavy rain, or even a thin, invisible layer of grime can be enough to block a sensor. The bumper may look clean at first glance, but the sensor isn't happy. And that's why the message pops up. That's why something repeated over and over in this shop is that just cleaning the sensors thoroughly often makes the error disappear like magic. A soft cloth, a little water, and you're done. In some cases, even after a car wash, the message goes away on its own. Now, if you've cleaned everything and the warning is still there, then the issue could be something else that's also very common, a misaligned or pushed-in sensor. This often happens after a small bump while parking or a minor nudge you didn't even notice. The sensor is still there, but it's no longer pointing correctly, and the system gets confused. Along the same lines, there are cases where the sensor isn't dirty or misaligned, but is failing internally. Several Hyundai owners report that the error would appear for no apparent reason, and diagnostics eventually confirmed that one of the sensors was defective. They replaced that sensor, and the problem was solved. But keep in mind, it's not always just the sensor. In some Hyundais, the issue is electrical. Moisture in connectors, damaged wires, or loose contacts can make the sensor work sometimes and fail other times. That's why some people say, "It worked perfectly yesterday and today the error came back." At that point, it's not dirt, it's an electrical communication issue. Here's another detail many people don't realize: the car battery. In some cases, when the battery is weak or has just been replaced, the system can get misconfigured and start showing random warnings, including this sensor message. After driving a little or stabilizing the voltage, the warning may disappear on its own. So, what do mechanics recommend before panicking? First, clean all the sensors well. Second, check that none are pushed in or crooked. Third, drive the car for a bit or turn it off and on again. And if the problem persists, then it's time to scan and check each sensor individually. What they don't recommend is ignoring the warning for too long. Even if the car brakes normally, the parking assist system could remain deactivated, and that could cause problems in tight spaces.